Graph the following linear inequality. So they give you an inequality and they want you to graph it. Now the best thing to do is just you can find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, plot them and connect them. But another way to do it is just to be able to leave the y by itself so we can transfer it to slope-intercept form. Move my 3x to the right is a positive 3x becomes a negative 3x. Remember to write down your x first, and this is a positive 8. I still need to leave the x by itself, so therefore I'm going to divide by -4, divide by -4, divide by -4. The 4's cancel, the negatives cancel. And whenever I divide by a negative number, don't forget to flip the inequality. Negative divided by negative is going to be positive, so it'll be 3 over 4 cannot be reduced. Positive divided by negative is going to be negative. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And now I can graph it. My y-intercept is -2. That's where the line crosses the y-axis at -2. My slope is positive. Up 3 and to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to decide, is it going to be a solid line or a dashed line? In this case, there's no equal sign, so it's going to be a solid line. And I need to decide if I'm going to shade one side or another. To decide, I'm going to go and select a point, 0, 0. And remember, you want to plug into the original equation. So let's go and plug in on the left. Instead of that, I'm going to check 0, 0. If 0, 0 is a solution, it should give me a true statement, and then I can shade this side. If 0, 0 is not a solution, that means that the solutions are on the opposite side. So I'll shade this side. So instead of that, I'm going to check 0, 0. Instead of the x, I'm going to plug in a 0. So it'll be 3 times 0 minus 4 times 0 greater than 8. Plug in a 0 and a 0. That becomes 0. This becomes 0. So 0. I need to decide, is that true or false? Is 0 greater than 8? No, it's false. So that means that 0, 0, this is false. So that means that 0, 0 is not a solution. Therefore, I need to shade the opposite side. So that means that the solution should be on the opposite side. Now, letter B. For each point, determine whether or not it is part of the solution. So I need to determine if 4, 1 is not part of the solution. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in 1. If you notice, that's the point, and it's on a dashed line. So therefore, this is no. Since it is on the dash line, which indicates that those are not solutions. Is 1, -3 a solution? 1 and 1, 2, 3? Yes. Since the point is shaded. Is 210, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. If you notice, 210 is not going to be a solution. No, since the point is not shaded. Even if you extend your graph, that point will not be shaded. So make sure that you write down a full sentence with a full explanation.